just concluded day 1 of our 7 days free 2024 JAMB tutorials, and it was 2 sessions, maths and chemistry. And you can see how we explain concepts with images, detailed explanations and write-up, simplified class, and the students are loving it already because the tutors are killing it. And trust me, exquisite tutorial is the best place for you to be. You can see some reviews by students. This one said it was the best class I've ever had. It really made my day. This one said today's class was really an amazing one for me. Dr. Yiko demystified everything using everyday examples to explain his point. Thank you very much, sir. Your brain is best. This one said my class was fun, insightful and educative. This one said I learned a lot today, even though I missed the first part or the first session. I really learned a lot in the second session.
The classes continue tomorrow, and ensure that you tell every JAMBite that you know, because it's a win-win with exquisite tutorials. Also, the exquisite tutorials weekly JAMB past question review series with Dr. Bess will be running on the exquisite tutorials YouTube channel every Saturday. Don't miss this.